Bonjour à tous. Dans cette vidéo, nous allons revoir quelques dates et événements clés de l'histoire des États-Unis.
The explorer Christopher Columbus made different trips across the Atlantic Ocean on his 3 boats, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. He came from Spain and wanted to find a direct route from Europe to Asia, but he never did. In 1492, he accidentally stumbled upon the Americas. He did not really discover America, as Native Americans, also known as Indians, already lived in the New World. The Pilgrims were a group of English settlers who left Europe. They left Europe because they were persecuted for their religion. They established the Plymouth Colony in 1620. The voyage across the Atlantic Ocean was long and difficult. They didn't have enough food and water, and many people became sick. When they arrived, many people died over the first winter. One Indian man, Squanto, had travelled to Europe and could speak some English. He agreed to help the Pilgrims to survive. He taught them how to plant corn, hunt, and fish. Without Squanto's help, the colony probably wouldn't have survived. Every year, American people celebrate Thanksgiving to remember this moment. After the Plymouth Colony, 12 other colonies were created. They are represented by the 13 stripes on the flag. The 13 colonies declared war with Britain because the English king imposed a lot of taxes on the colonies. They wanted to be free. On July 4th, 1776, the Congress officially adopted the final version of the Declaration of Independence. There were different battles with Britain to gain independence. Finally, the Treaty of Paris officially ended the war. One of the most famous statements in the history of the United States is in the Declaration of Independence. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. George Washington was the first president of the United States. He was elected in 1798. George Washington is known for leading the American Revolution. He helped to define the role of the president by establishing the American Constitution. He gave his name to the capital city, Washington, D.C. The American Civil War was between the states of the North and the states of the South. The southern states didn't want to be part of the United States and decided to make their own country. They wanted to keep the right to possess slaves. However, the northern states wanted to stay one country. Abraham Lincoln was the President of the United States during the Civil War. He was against slavery. A lot of people died during the Civil War. Over 600,000 soldiers died. Of course, the North won because the 50 states of the United States are still one country today. They are represented by the stars on the flag. When most people talk about the civil rights movement, they are talking about the protests in the 1950s and 1960s when African Americans fought for racial equality. Leaders such as Martin Luther King and Rosa Parks did non-violent protests. Thanks to them, there has been changes in the law. Discrimination based on race was declared illegal. Today, African Americans are working at important positions in the US government, including Secretary of State Colin Powell and Condoleezza Rice, and the first black president, Barack Obama.